Wish you all a very happy Christmas from Pakistan to all the Christian community around the globe. Have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas this 2022 and have a wonderful life. Exchange love and kindness with peoples around the globe from Pakistan. We wish all our Christian community to have a wonderful, wonderful their celebration of this Jesus Christ birthday, and it will be a very, very beautiful time and festival for you all to celebrate. And as Muslims, we also celebrate it as he is also prophet of Muslims also, as we Muslims also not be a Muslims if we not believe on the Jesus Christ. So we respect him and love him, and we show all our kindness and love to all the Christian community, and we believe that positivity will spread around the globe, and the peace will rise, and all the hatred will be finished, and you will and the best part is the Santa Claus will exchange the gifts, and it's been amazing character which is being playing by the Santa Claus, and the gifts which been, and the way the markets and all these make the sales easier and make the price discount for all the community to get their things in a very cheap price. It is a very great thing from Christian community for this uh, Christmas, special Christmas discounts. So we respect and love all our Christian community. So best wishes from Pakistan, and we love you all, and God bless you all, and keep making this festival a positive way to show the purity to Jesus Christ. And happy Merry Christmas to all again. And we wish you to be positive and be humble as a kind Christian community. Stay blessed and bye. Merry Christmas. Okay, bye. Take care. Love you.